The nurse said 30 minutes. What if it's very bad? What if I need surgery? Surgery is expensive. I already have to pay $150. Maybe more for the tests. How much will this cost?
Amy, come back in, please.
Yes, doctor?
I have your test results. Your blood test shows something we call white blood cells. White blood cells fight bad germs in your body. Your number is very high. That means you have an infection somewhere.
Infection? You mean bad germs?
Yes, bad germs, bacteria. They're making you sick. But here's the problem. Your urine test is normal. It's healthy.
Normal is good, right?
Usually, yes. Normal means not sick. But in your case, normal urine is confusing. If your appendix is sick, the urine should show something, but it doesn't.
So, you don't know what's wrong?
Not yet. These tests can't tell us for sure. We need a better test. We need a CT scan.
CT scan? What's that?
A CT scan is like a special camera. It takes pictures of the inside of your body. We can see your organs, your stomach, your appendix, your kidneys, everything.
Organs? What are organs?
Organs are the important parts inside your body. Your heart, your lungs, your stomach, your kidneys. They do important jobs to keep you alive.
Oh, so the CT scan is like a camera that sees inside me?
Exactly. But Amy, our clinic is small. We don't have a CT scan machine here. I need to send you to the hospital ER.
The hospital ER? But, doctor, that's so expensive.
I know, but Amy, this could be serious. The hospital has the big machines we need. You have to go today.
Do I really have to go?
Yes. I'm writing you something called a referral. It's a letter that says, "This patient needs help at the hospital." You take this paper to the hospital. Show it to them. They'll know what to do.
A referral? A letter to the hospital?
Yes. It tells the hospital why you're coming. Here, take this.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Excuse me, I need to pay now.
Okay, Amy. Office visit, $150. Blood test, $125. Urine test, $100. Your total is $375.
375?
Yes. Can you pay with a credit card?
Yes. Here.
Slide your card here, please. Sign here. Here's your receipt. Good luck at the hospital.
Thank you.